Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In our previous video, we have created ASP.NET Core Web API project using default template in Visual Studio 2019. In this video, we will create console application. Then we will convert this console application into web application. So in this conversion journey, we can understand everything that is required to work on Web API project. In .NET Core framework, each .NET Core application by default a console application. It means if you're working with web application, by default it is console application. That's why each application will have program root CS class. This class will have main method. We need to add some services and make some changes to convert this console application into a web API project. Since we are dealing with web API application, so we will make some changes that are required to work with web API application. In the console application, we will convert everything as per the need of web API project. Now, let's go to Visual Studio to create console application. Go to File menu, then click New, then Project. Or you can use the shortcut Ctrl Shift N. Here, select this one, console application, then click Next. Name your project. Project name will be Console App to Web API. Select the location where you want to save this project. If you want to change the location, you can change here. Okay, then a solution name is Console App to Web API. Then click Next. Here we have to choose the target framework. If you want to work with different version, you can select that. Otherwise, keep as it is. Then click Create. It will take few seconds to create our console application. Okay, now our console application is created successfully. Now run this application by clicking this button here. See you. We have the output hello world. Um, I hope this video is helpful to you. In our next video, let's learn how to convert this console application into a web API project. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video.